We're here at CES, we're at Showstoppers, which for people who are in the industry, it means free drinks, free food. But for everyone else, it's the place where they have the weirdest gadgets, the most fun gadgets, some of the most practical gadgets. So I give you Showstoppers.
What we do is replace half the water within a domestic washing machine with these X-orbs, which are made of nylon.
You're saving water, you're saving energy.
Yeah.
Why doesn't everyone have one of these things?
Well, we only demonstrated it today, so.
This is like the transformer of vibrators.
Exactly.
Okay, this is called the worm.
And it could be your neck massager.
I hope they wash it though first. This is called the double whammy. And this one is called Don't Go There. Maybe you'll just make a glove, one of these for each finger.
This is Kevin. It's a device that simulates that you are at home when you're actually not.
Why is it barking?
Because that would simulate the dog at home. And also we have talked to a burglar, and he's retired.
Oh, you have a retired burglar on payroll. That makes me feel much better. This is Sleep, which with one less E would be Schlepp, which is one of my favorite verbs.
We're the only species on Earth that is sleep depriving themselves.
So maybe if I sleep 10 hours, I could finally do a Sudoku puzzle.
Yes.
All right, cool. What is this?
This is a DREAMLIGHT sleep mask. Tell me how you feel, Daniel.
I'm feeling very sleepy.
You can give us your genetic data.
Is there a nap gene?
Yes.
There's a gene for nappers. My dad likes to take naps, and I also like to take naps.
Yeah.
Like if he doesn't take a nap, he gets very cranky. A nightmare version of Finding Nemo and the Little Mermaid. What I like about this car is that no one can ever ask you for a ride. You know, it does have 2 doors though, which is convenient. I'm not a small guy, but once I'm in here, I do not feel uncomfortable.
No.
Let's take a look under the hood.